Right. Picture this, yeah? You're standing by a wide, muddy river. No skyscrapers, no traffic, just the sound of water, a bit of wind, and a handful of people trying to get by. This is where it all begins. A rough Roman outpost. They call it Londinium. And honestly, it's nothing special. Yet. Just wooden huts, dirt paths, and soldiers keeping watch while traders unload goods from boats along the Thames. But there's something about this place. Something the Romans clocked straight away. Location. Perfect for trade, easy to defend, full of potential. So they get moving. They build proper roads, solid, straight, reliable. They throw up a bridge across the river. Markets start forming. People start arriving. Bit by bit, Londinium turns into a proper city. You've got busy streets, traders shouting deals, bathhouses full of steam and chatter, and villas with fancy mosaics. It's alive. It's growing.
It's thriving. But nothing lasts forever. By the early 400s, the Roman Empire starts falling apart. Slowly at first, then all at once. And just like that, they're gone. They leave Britain behind. And Londinium? Left to rot. Walk through it now, and it's eerie. Empty streets, crumbling buildings, nature creeping back in. It's like the city's been forgotten. For a while, it has. But not for long. People return. The Anglo-Saxons settle nearby. They don't rebuild the Roman city exactly. They start fresh. Simple wooden homes, small communities. Fishing, farming, trading. Life goes on. Quietly. Until it doesn't. Because out on the river, something's coming. Longboats. The Vikings. You hear them before you see them. The steady rhythm of oars, the tension in the air. Then suddenly, they're there. Ships lining the Thames, warriors storming ashore, and chaos kicking off. Homes burn, people scatter, fear spreads fast. London becomes a target again and again. But then, things change. A leader rises, Alfred the Great, and he's not having it. Defenses go up, fortifications strengthen, the city starts to hold its ground. Slowly, stability returns. And when people feel safe, they build again. Stronger, bigger. Now fast forward. A fortress. Stone walls, heavy gates, guards watching everything. Power right there in the skyline. London is changing again. Now it's medieval London, and it's packed. Narrow streets twist through the city. Houses lean over the roads like they're about to touch. It's loud, messy, and yeah, a bit grim. But it's full of life. Markets buzz with energy. Traders shout prices. Carts rattle over mud. People from all walks of life fill the streets. And then there's the bridge. Not just any bridge. This one's lined with houses and shops, like a whole street floating over the river. Proper wild. But life isn't easy. Disease spreads quickly. Fires break out often. Survival's a daily challenge. Still, London grows. Now we roll into the Tudor period. Things get a bit more lively. Fashion steps up. Bold colors, rich fabrics. The city starts to feel more confident, more expressive. And then, entertainment. Theaters open their doors. Crowds gather, laughing, shouting, reacting to stories brought to life on stage. It's loud. It's chaotic. It's brilliant. The Thames stays busy, packed with boats moving people and goods. Trade is booming.
Energy's high. London's thriving again. But trouble's never far behind. First, the plague. It sweeps through the city, leaving fear in its wake. Streets empty, doors stay shut.
A small spark in a bakery. Nothing major at first, but London's still built mostly from wood, buildings packed tight together. One flame becomes many. And then it spreads. Fast. The wind carries it from street to street. Flames leap across rooftops. Smoke fills the sky. People run. Panic takes over. Families grab what they can and flee. For days, the fire rages. By the end, the city's gone, reduced to ash. It's devastating. But here's the thing about London. It doesn't stay down. Rebuilding begins almost straight away. This time, they do it differently. Wider streets, stronger materials, brick and stone instead of timber. The city rises again. Better planned, more resilient. A fresh start. Now we move into a new era. The city begins to look more refined. Streets are laid out with purpose. Buildings stand taller.
Post-war London starts to rise from the rubble. New buildings go up. Old ones are restored. Streets fill with life once more. Red buses roll through the city. The underground expands. Culture begins to boom. Music, fashion, art, it's all happening here. London becomes a global stage. And now, we're here. Modern London. Look around. Glass towers stretch into the sky. Lights reflect off the Thames. Streets buzz with energy from every direction. It's fast. It's diverse. It's alive. And yet, the past is still here. In the buildings, in the streets, in the very layout of the city. Every step you take, you're walking through history. 2,000 years of it. And as we move into the future, things keep evolving. Technology grows. The city gets smarter, greener, more connected. But one thing stays the same. London never stops. From a muddy riverside settlement to a global powerhouse. Built, destroyed, rebuilt again and again. It adapts. It survives. It rises. Every single time. And no matter what